Hello team, it's Petey checking in with the unboxing of the Beko Turkish coffee maker. So this one's just arrived today. Been keen to try it out. Was really undecided as to whether to get the single pot one or the double, but me being me, went with the double. Normally making coffee with your mates, whatever, so you're normally making 2 cups. So this one here I thought would be better option, so we'll give it a go. Pretty excited to open this one. So yeah, it's the Beko Turkish coffee maker. This one is in the silver with the silver pots. That's the only style available. I think it does come in these other different colours where you've got the silver, which is the one I've got with that serial number. There must be a red one. This copper coloured one looked pretty sweet but wasn't available. This black one looked pretty cool too, but not available. So this is the only one. Found it pretty hard to try and actually get anyone with any in stock. So this actually came from Beko directly. They've got a store on eBay. So what does it say? Up to 6 cups of coffee. Ideal consistency and taste thanks to stainless steel pot and special measuring spoon. Ease of use. And cleaning with a detachable and visible water tank of 1.5 litres. So yeah, blah blah blah. Now let's open it up and have a bit of a look. Looks pretty good. Oh, we got some tape there. Bit more tape. So there must be some handles. I must have taped those over for the packaging in transit. Flips open. Yeah, nice. It's a measuring spoon. Some book. Quick operation book. Some packaging foam. Oh wow, it's a bit smaller than what I thought, so yeah, it's not super big. That's number 1 of 2, whatever. It's got some plastic protective stuff on the handle. Steno. Yeah, looks pretty nice. It's got some pour spouts there. Good one. Another one. Identical. Same thing again. Plastic handle. It's got the gloss finish. Feels light. Steno feels pretty solid. It's got a matte finish there, matte on the inside, and then gloss on the outside. So that's the side you're going to see and be presented with, turning up to the machine with them slotted in. Then we've got the actual unit. Wow, that's not as big as what I thought it would be. Other than that, what else is in there? Just foam, junk. Rest of the box, junk. So that's the main unit. Well, it's quite tiny, quite compact. I thought it would have been a bit bigger. But it's not that good, so less kitchen bench space. Plastic bag. There we go, so you got your power cord. Nice steno on the top. It's pretty neutral looking. It's not real crazy looking or anything real out there. So yep, just single power cord. Oz power plug. Power plug protector. Yeah, right. So then it's got this plastic Protective stuff. Yep. Looks like one more. On the back, where this must be the water tank. Sweet. So that's the top fascia. It's in like a brushed stainless steel look. You see the Beko, how it cups 1, 2, 3 in the center. Beko, water. And it must have size of the cups there. 1, 2, 3. And then your right hand side, so left hand side, right hand side. This thing here. Oh, yep. Just like a door on a flap there. Fill up the water, close it. That's it around the back. On off switch, it's just the rocker switch. Cool. I think this is induction heating, not sure. Got like those spouts in there. Oh yeah, some kind of electronics on that. Yes, that looks pretty cool. Looking forward to giving that a go. Give you the feedback on that. I've got some other power ratings and whatnot for that. Yep. And then just the nice little legs on there too. They've got like a rubberized pad on each of the 4 feet in each of the corners there. Looks like some kind of cooling fan potentially. And yeah, so that looks pretty nice. So fill it up with water, turn it on, I guess. Books, cup, good one. And then we'll get these bad boys in there. Done. Shift that. Yeah, looks like they're just going to seat in there. Like that. Like that. Oh, okay. Must be, it's magnet. You can feel that. They click onto the base. So that's got like a magnet pull where it's holding the cups. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Looks good. It's quite small. It's a lot smaller than what I thought as far as bench space footprint goes. Yeah, that's awesome. Nice little compact unit there. Righto team, well, after I fire it up, we'll check back in and show you what I reckon, but I reckon that's an absolute ripper. Hope you're having an awesome day. See you team.